Hey all, welcome back to another episode of Travel with Carter. Here I am in beautiful Greece. I'm in Athens, about to board one of these boats behind me to get to Mykonos, and I can't wait to show you guys this beautiful country. And I'm sure if you do decide to come here, you'll be in the same situation as me, as it's over 2,000 islands. You'll definitely be at a ferry dock like this, and it is busy. You'll see all these boats and chaos and all this fun stuff. You'll experience it too, but here we go. Hope you enjoy the episode. Stay golden all. Another ferry. This is life in Greece, as there's over 2,000 islands. It's all about the ferry life, so let's try it again. That is traveling in Greece. It's on the ferry, off the ferry, on the ferry. Oh my gosh, is it worth it? Those cities are unbelievable. It's just, it's movie-esque. It's literally like walking into a movie scene. Absolutely incredible scenery. Every city is just absolutely just picture perfect, and my gosh, the food. Okay, a couple more hours to Santorini. Here we go. sorry to pause the video right here. I just need to ask a big favor from all of you. Currently only about 10% of all the people watching my videos are actually subscribed. It would do a huge favor for me if you're able to hit that button down below. Tell a friend, tell a family member. That's how this channel grows, and that's how I can continue my dream to be the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. Now, that being said, it's not just for me. Every time my subscriber count doubles, I'm going to be giving out a prize pack. So gave one out of 500, gave one out of 1,000, gave one out of 2,000. I just recently gave one out at 4,000. I can't wait to give one out at 8,000. So again, with your help, hitting that subscribe button, it does wonders for the YouTube algorithms. And again, I appreciate all the support. Stay golden all. Beautiful Santorini, just the gorgeous coast, rugged coastline. Incredible. It's all about the olives in Greece, and why not a little olive oil in every meal. Just beautiful liquid gold. Let's dive in. Not sure if I captured that correctly, but I got a little balsamic vinegar and beautiful Greek olive oil and fresh bread. Just want to stick my face in every olive bush in the country. My gosh, so beautiful. And these olives, oh my goodness, look at those. Not quite ready yet, but soon. And again, just eating them on their own is incredible. The oils, everything. So beautiful olive trees just in front of that little hotel there. And that's probably hundreds of years old. I'm not even kidding. So it's everything here is 500, 1,000 years old. So that tree is probably the same. And there's some healthy people here too, not just drinking cocktails and eating their faces off like some of us might be, but look around, it's just all restaurants and bars. Spectacular view on my birthday. Loving it. 41 today. The produce has just been unbelievable here. So I'm back in Athens, and oh my goodness, just one store after another. Just the food is unbelievable. I don't know how well this is shooting, but wanted to focus on the fruit. The produce is like a beautiful rainbow of colors, and all locally grown and in season right now. So, and really cheap, or reasonable, I think. And then just happened to catch the pastries next door, which is also incredibly fresh and really good. So the food has lived up to my high expectations for Greece. I've not had many disappointments. It's just been phenomenal flavors, reasonable prices, again, in my opinion, and it's peak season right now in the summer, so it's very busy with the tourists. But I've also learned in my travels that touristy spots are touristy for a reason, because they're incredible in a lot of cases. All right, I found this incredible escape from the heat here right in central Athens. Look at this beautiful patio, just covered with I don't think they're vines, but just beautiful coverage anyways. Nice in the shade. It's about 35-degree heat today, and yeah, just enjoying a little evening cocktail on this incredible patio. And a couple things to point out. So first, beautifully made. Let's give it a try. Very summery, love it. And second, get some free bar nuts. But the one thing I really like is it comes packaged, so it's not like the last person's hands were in it before you. So I don't think they give this out in many bars in Canada anymore. Some places around the world they do, and it's a nice treat. Obviously they go hand in hand, salty nuts to help you drink a little bit more. But that's probably a thing from COVID. That's the first time I've ever seen a pre-packaged or individually packaged sealed thing of nuts, and I'm a fan, so good job. Keep it up, Greece. Cheers again. Look at that beautiful pie. Hey all, thanks so much for watching another episode of Travel with Carter. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and it inspires you to come and go on a trip of your own down here. It's absolutely amazing. Please tune in next week as I go to a new country. Can't tell you where just yet. Stay golden all.